morning, working from the outdoor office today. Definitely overhead high today. It's about the worst of it we're going to see as far as the storm surge. It's high tide right now. I don't think we're going to get the 20 footers. I think 14 to 15 is about what we're going to get. They are breaking outside the reef though. We'll give you a pan shot and let you see just exactly what's going on. As you can see, it looks like we dodged a bullet. Got a little bit of another rain band coming in here, so I'm going to cover the camera up. But have a nice day. We are here at Waveland Beach.